Hi everyone, today I bought HDMI video capture with loop out, best for your gaming or live streaming broadcast, video recording. It support HDMI loop out, USB 3.0 high speed, support input max resolution 4K, output max resolution 1080p, and you have good packaging. Yeah, it feels solid. Have 3.0 there. Inside you have the USB cable going to your computer and the external power source for the video capture and the user manual. So let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, so we're going to put the cables, our micro B going to the 5 volts, and then for the input we're going to test our PS4, which is right here. This HDMI cable is connected to my PS4, so we're going to put it on the input, and on the output I'm going to use this HDMI connected on my TV right here. Okay, so let's connect it, and then this USB type A is going to your PC, so just connect it here. It is connected on here. Okay, this cable connected to my computer. So now let's open OBS. Okay, so let's check again. There should be light. So our input is the PS4, which is right here, and if I'm going to unplug it, it'll disconnect. So this is the PS4 unit connected to the input, and should be back. And on our output here, this is where my TV is connected. Okay, so I'll put it back to the output, and yeah, so let's check on our OBS. Let's open our OBS. This is the PS4 and the OBS, and then let's create a new scene. Let's call it PS4 video capture, and then let's add a video capture device to capture the video of our PS4. Okay, sorry guys, so it happened because the required power for the micro USB is 5 volts, and I guess my computer is not giving the enough power to make it stable. So let's try again, video capture device. As you can see, it is now stable after I replaced the power source on the DC 5 volts. So yeah, this is the setup. I replaced this earlier. This is not the provided cable, so I replaced the cable too. And yeah, that's it. It's now working. You can see it on your OBS, and on your TV you can play your PS4 at the same time. So I'll just wait. I'll try. Let's try playing Spider-Man. Sorry, also if you, of course, you need to capture the audio. You need to add the audio input capture. Click add source. Add source. Coming to the digital audio interface, the USB digital audio. Click done. There you go. The audio is now recorded. Okay. Yeah, I can say that this cheap device is working. Now let's try to open a 7.55 game.
Hold triangle to enable menu narration.
蒙古国が対馬に襲来した。血も涙もなく ただひたすらに暴虐だ。我が方は80、無勢なれど対馬の民を守らねばならない。今日俺はこの命を捨てる。船が海を覆っている。
死を恐れるな。飲み込まれるぞ。習わし武勇誉れ、それが我らが道だ。我らこそ島の勇士、我らこそモノノフだ。では足立殿、奴らの息をくじいてまいれ。
If you like the video, you know what to do. Yeah, thank you again for watching.
Well, Cuphead and his pal Mugman, they like to roll the dice. By chance they came on a devil's game, and gosh, they paid the price.